Hello, I am Purvi Maru and I am welcoming you all to my channel Food, Health and Acupressure, where we'll be talking about food and acupressure every Monday, Wednesday and Friday in Hindi and on every Sundays in English. Today we'll be talking about acupressure points for abscess. What is abscess? Abscess is also called as boil or heat boil. It is a bump which appears within or below the skin surface. This bump is usually full of pus. Abscess can usually occur on any part of the body, but it most probably occurs on the face, back, chest and buttock area. It can also appear in the area of hair growth, such as groin or underarm area. Talking about causes, abscess is typically due to bacterial infection. If you are having chronic skin disease like acne or eczema, then it may also cause to abscess. If you are having diabetes, then that may also cause abscess. Poor hygiene habits may lead to abscess. Talking about symptoms, you may feel inflamed skin. Fluids may drain from the abscess. Some people may also feel swelling on that area or can feel nausea, fever, chills, etc. So now let us know about acupressure points. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe and do share this video with others so that they can also get this informative video. And if you want to join my WhatsApp group, then do click on the link in the description box. So we'll be discussing a single acupressure point today. This point is on the back side of our hand on the middle finger, just below the base of the nail. Towards small finger is the point. See, just below the base of the nail over here, towards small finger is this point. This point is called as UB65. Over here what we'll do, we'll just press this point with the help of the backside of a jimmy. Okay, we have to properly press it for 1 to 2 minutes. So that we can do seed therapy or magnet therapy on this point. So first we will know about magnet therapy. For that we will take tonification sedation magnets, or which we call it as Buell magnets. If you are not having this magnets and if you want to buy it, then I have made a basic acupressure kit. In this, all this magnets, jimmies and other things which we use in acupressure are added. I have also made a video on it. Do check it out, and if you want to buy it, you can buy it from us. So we will apply this magnet in such a way that the white color of the magnet will touch the skin and you can see yellow side of the magnet from outside. Okay, that means we need to lower the energy of this point. So we will apply it properly over here. Do this on both the hands. This point is bilateral. You need to apply it for 8 to 10 hours, and whenever you will remove it, then you need to throw the paper tape and bring both the magnets together so that they can energize themselves and you can use it for next day. Magnets do not expire. You can use it afterwards also. So do this treatment regularly, you will definitely feel the results. So now let us know about seed therapy. For that we will take paper tape and fenugreek seed, which we also call it as methi dana. We'll take a single fenugreek seed on a tape and then apply that tape on this point properly. And whenever you apply seed, you need to press it occasionally. Do this treatment for 8 to 10 hours daily. And whenever you will remove this tape, now you need to throw the paper tape and seed away. Do not use the same seeds again. And on the next day, take new paper tape with new seed on it. Treatment daily, you will definitely feel the results. So that's all for today. If you found my video good, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.